See this. There's green turtles here. Where is the turtle? So this is the turtle. The green turtle. That is the green turtle. Coastal bird aviary. It's closed. Full. Oh, the birds are here. So the birds are here. Go inside, Kuya.
Huh?
Go inside. They are running away. So what are these birds? Parang crow. Herons. Herons siya, tsaka seabirds. Where are the herons? There. The seabirds and the herons. This is the seabird. We'll see, have a closer look at how the seabird looks like. Socotra cormorant. These blackbirds are the Socotra cormorant. Cormorant. We'll have a closer look at the seabirds. Seabirds din to. Those are the herons, the bigger ones. See, there's a lot of them. So these are the birds. This is the common black-headed gull. Oh, that is how. This is like a resting area. So there are supposed to be deers here. Sand gazelle. Where is the sand gazelle? There's no sand gazelle right now. Look closely at the sand areas. What tracks can you see? There are tracks of animals here. Going that way. So we'll go inside. Kingfishers. Kingfishers daw.
Doon sa loob. Wala naman isda.
They are shy.
Ano yun eh, yung nanunuka ng ng ito, ng
So
mga...
there are birds here. We'll see if they are there.
Ayun o. Yan? Ayun o. Nanunuka yan ng isda. Yun, ibon pala. Yan.
Nanunuka yan lang.
Isda. Kumukuha ng isda yan.
Nangunguha.
Nangunguha siya, kaya kingfisher.
Ang tibay-tibay ng
Look closely at the rocks. What can you see? We'll look closely at the rocks. Nothing. I don't see anything. Maybe there's no crabs now. The sun is about to set. a very nice view. It's also a nice view. Very serene and peaceful here. Very nice view. So we'll continue walking in this bridge and see where it will lead us. It will lead us actually deeper into the mangrove. We'll see how it is. We will see how it looks like inside the mangrove. Another view at the sand here, the mangrove beside the sea, and this side here, very nice. That is the other side of the mangrove, this whole area. It's getting dark now because the sun is setting. So we'll go inside this one. See, it's very nice. Nice for a picture. See, there's another beautiful area full of twigs. See where this one will lead us. See, there are still some animals there. This is still a long way to go. So, saan tayo? Dito o dito? So we'll see what's inside.
Mangrove bird hide.
See, we will look if there are birds. Only no bird. No bird. No bird. No bird inside.
Lalaki ng ano kaya dito.
Bird hide. The sea, the view of the other side of the mangrove. There's no birds. So I hope you liked our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye!